I am Seema. I work at Move by BJC, and today I'm going to demonstrate you the basic moves for belly dance workout for beginners. We will be dealing with the basic posture of belly dance and the arm exercises today. Belly dance workout, so the basic thing is the posture, and in posture we have got three important things. The first thing is the shoulder position, and the second one is the hip and waist position, and the third one is your feet and legs position. So coming to your shoulder position, so you have to raise your shoulders upwards and then rotate them back and engage the shoulders. So if you see, you can do this way, like raise your shoulders, get your scapulas together on the back and then engage them so that your chest is not pushed forward or not rose up. It's just engaging your shoulders, and you have to make yourself feel tall and stand tall. So coming to the second segment, the hips and the pelvic position. So just try to tuck your tailbone inside by moving your pelvic floor up. So it is like this. So if you see on the sidewise, just try to tuck your tailbone. So push your tailbone towards the earth and the pelvic floor up. So it's like this. Don't overdo it by bending yourself or straining your spinal cord, or don't over push it backwards. So you have to just tuck it in this way. So next, coming to the feet position, you have to always stand at your hip level. The feet must be at your hip level and the knees must be engaged, and like you do not stand like this. It's too much. You will not be able to get your muscles to be isolated. So you have to just stand at the hip distance. Your feet must be at your hip distance, and always the feet must face forward and the knees must be free. So they must not be engaged, they must not be too tight, they must be like free. So you tuck your pelvic bone, your shoulders are pushed backward and engaged, and then your feet facing forward. So this is the position for your belly dance. And next, coming to the finger position, so you have to make a C by using your middle finger and the thumb. So do not make a big C, just get a little bend in your middle finger, and the thumb must be facing your middle finger, and then the index finger must be little higher than your middle finger, and the little finger and the ring finger must be in coordination with your index finger. So just the middle finger bent forward and the thumb got forward, and your index finger higher, and your middle finger and your ring finger and your little finger higher than the middle finger. So make a C with the middle finger. So this is the position. So next, today we are going to do the arm exercises. So get your stance, roll your shoulders backwards, and then extend your arms. So your arms will go upward for the stretches, and you will try to stretch your arm by moving them upward and downward. So you will do 8 repetitions of this, and you can add an accent to it by squeezing your lateral abdominal muscles. So you got to squeeze your abdominal muscle here and here when you are doing the arm stretches. So you will do 8 to 15 repetitions of these stretches. So after you have done the 8 to 15 repetitions, you will do the arm rolls to come down. So you will just rotate your wrist inside to outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. The same thing is done with the left hand. these are the arm rolls. And the next segment, you will do the snake arms. So for snake arms, first we start with the right hand. We lift our shoulder first, and then we lift the elbow, and then followed by the wrist. When you are getting it down, the wrist goes down first and the elbow, and then drop in your shoulder. So it's like this. So you will do this on right side for 8 times. So follow where your hands are going and keep the movement fluid. Your shoulder first, followed by elbow, and then followed by your wrist. The left arm. Eight to 15 repetitions. So now you'll do it with your arms alternating on each side. You can even slide your body from side to side when you're doing this. You can add the movement of your head and enjoy the flow. Okay. The next exercise is arm rotations. So to do the arm rotations, you will rotate your shoulder. Your hands must be free, and you have to feel the extension in your scapula and then rotate the shoulder. So you do this for 8 times. And then the left arm. So now we do it on both arms. So do 8 to 15 repetitions. And now you can give a movement to the body. We can go lower and higher by doing the arm rotations. So now we do it in the anti-clockwise direction, and we do again 8 repetitions. Work out one arm at each time, followed by both the arms. Now the next exercise is the arm punches. So to do the arm punches, you'll extend your right arm and then you will punch your shoulder forward, backward, forward, backward. So when you're doing this, you have to work out your scapula too. So you have to use it to push forward and then backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. So 8 to 15 repetitions. Okay, now work out your left arm, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. Okay, now you will work out both the arms together, one at each time, forward, and when you are taking the right arm backward, your left arm comes forward. So alternatively, forward, backward. So you will do 8 to 15 repetitions. So after your 8 repetitions, just increase the speed or double the speed. Forward, backward. So push. So when you master the speed, you can double again the speed and you can do shimmy. So you can even add an accent to it by taking a step forward, backward, sidewise. You can even have a circle. So there ends our arm exercises. So we have today demonstrated the posture of belly dance workout and the arm exercises where we have discussed about arm stretches, snake arms, arm rotations, and arm punches. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Bake McBride. I am the Assistant Manager and Group Fitness Director here at Move by BJC. And I want to thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to join us for this session. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can jump on the website at www.movebybjc.org or you can give us a call, 314-286-0525. Thanks again.